This GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Nonstick 8 inches frying pan skillet is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a vibrant turquoise color. This pan is designed for healthy cooking. It has a ceramic nonstick surface. This surface helps food slide off easily. You can cook with less oil or butter. This makes your meals healthier. The 8-inch size is perfect for single servings. It is also good for small side dishes. The GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Nonstick Pan is also very easy to clean. Food does not stick to the surface. You can simply wipe it clean with a soft sponge. It is also dishwasher safe. This makes cleanup even more convenient. The soft grip handle stays cool. This provides a comfortable and secure hold. You can flip and move the pan with ease. The bottom of the pan is designed for even heat distribution. This helps your food cook evenly. You won't have hot spots. Overall, the GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Nonstick 8 inches frying pan skillet is a fantastic choice. It offers healthy cooking and easy cleanup. The turquoise color adds a nice touch to your kitchen. Many users give it high stars for its performance. It is a reliable piece for everyday cooking tasks. Consider adding this pan to your collection. It could make your cooking life easier. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: soft grip handle, healthy ceramic, non-stick surface 8-inch size, frying pan, skillet type. PFAS free, dishwasher safe, turquoise color, easy to use, convenient size. Cons: oven safe to 350 degrees F, coating can scratch, uneven heating possible, lighter colors may stain. Non-stick may not last, handle has tricky spot, lightweight. Feels flimsy, nylon tools not useful. Features: GreenLife brand, soft grip handle, healthy ceramic, non-stick surface 8-inch size, frying pan type, skillet style, PFAS free. Make, dishwasher safe, turquoise color. This 8-inch frying pan from GreenLife has a soft grip handle for comfortable use and a healthy ceramic nonstick surface, so food won't stick easily. It's a skillet style pan that's PFAS free, meaning it's made without certain chemicals. The pan is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple, and it comes in a turquoise color. This GreenLife 8-inch frying pan is a turquoise skillet with a soft grip handle and a healthy ceramic nonstick surface that is PFAS free and dishwasher safe, making it easy to use and clean. It's a convenient size for everyday cooking and is oven safe up to 350 degrees F. However, the nonstick coating may scratch, and uneven heating is possible. Lighter colors could stain, and the nonstick quality might not last a very long time. Some users have found a tricky spot on the handle to clean and feel the pan is lightweight and flimsy, noting that nylon tools may not be very effective with it.